Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you take castor oil in the morning? Castor oil, known for its strong laxative properties, can have a range of effects on your system. Upon ingestion, it stimulates the intestines, leading to increased bowel movements and potentially causing digestive discomfort such as cramping and nausea. As the oil accelerates waste elimination, it can also lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. Additionally, the rapid transit through the digestive tract can impact nutrient absorption. Understanding these effects can help you prepare for and manage the outcomes of taking castor oil, ensuring you maintain your well-being throughout the process. So in this video, we will discuss what happens to your body when you take castor oil in the morning. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Psychological effect. Taking castor oil can have notable psychological effects due to its impact on daily routines and comfort. The urgency and frequency of bowel movements might cause stress or anxiety, as frequent trips to the bathroom can be disruptive. This discomfort can lead to preoccupation with bowel health and a sense of lack of control over bodily functions. The anticipation of needing immediate access to a restroom might affect your ability to engage in social or work activities comfortably. Additionally, persistent gastrointestinal symptoms like cramping or nausea can contribute to a feeling of general unease. Managing these effects involves planning bathroom access, staying hydrated, and monitoring your body's response. If psychological stress becomes overwhelming, consulting a healthcare provider can help address both physical and emotional concerns. Number 9. Impact on absorption. Taking castor oil can affect nutrient absorption due to its strong laxative effect. The rapid transit through the digestive tract reduces the time available for the body to absorb essential nutrients from food. This expedited movement can lead to reduced absorption of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. As a result, you might not get the full nutritional benefit from your meals. Additionally, frequent bowel movements can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which also plays a role in nutrient absorption. To mitigate these effects, ensure a balanced diet rich in nutrients and consider monitoring your nutritional intake. If you have concerns about nutrient deficiencies, consult a healthcare professional for advice on managing and preventing absorption issues. Number 8. Potential for dehydration. Taking castor oil can increase the potential for dehydration due to its potent laxative effect, which leads to frequent and substantial bowel movements. This frequent elimination of waste also causes significant fluid loss. As a result, dehydration symptoms like dry mouth, dark urine, dizziness, and fatigue may occur. To prevent dehydration, it's essential to drink plenty of water and maintain fluid intake throughout the day. Replenishing lost fluids with electrolyte-rich drinks can also be beneficial. Monitoring your hydration status and adjusting your fluid intake accordingly can help manage the risk. If you experience severe symptoms of dehydration or persistent issues, seeking medical advice is crucial to ensure proper treatment and recovery. Number 7. Nausea. Nausea is a common side effect of taking castor oil, largely due to its potent laxative action. The oil stimulates the digestive tract, leading to heightened gastrointestinal activity, which can result in feelings of queasiness or an unsettled stomach. This discomfort is often more noticeable if castor oil is consumed on an empty stomach or in large quantities. The rapid digestion process and the increased frequency of bowel movements contribute to this sensation. To mitigate nausea, it's advisable to take castor oil with food or a small amount of a bland, non-acidic beverage, which can help buffer the stomach. Staying well hydrated and resting can further alleviate nausea. It's crucial to seek medical advice. Persistent nausea might indicate a more serious issue or an intolerance to the oil, requiring professional assessment and guidance. Number 6. Possible allergic reactions. While rare, allergic reactions to castor oil can occur in some individuals. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include skin rashes, itching, swelling, or hives. In more severe cases, reactions might involve difficulty breathing, chest tightness, or anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening emergency requiring immediate medical intervention. These reactions happen because the body's immune system mistakenly recognizes castor oil as a harmful substance. To minimize the risk of an allergic response, it's prudent to conduct a patch test before using castor oil extensively. This involves applying a small amount of the oil to a small skin area to check for any adverse reactions. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting use can also help assess potential risks. Always pay attention to how your body reacts when introducing new substances and report any unusual or severe symptoms to your doctor promptly. Immediate medical attention is essential if any serious allergic reactions occur. Number 5. Electrolyte imbalance. Taking castor oil can lead to electrolyte imbalance due to its strong laxative effects. Frequent bowel movements cause the body to lose essential electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining fluid balance and proper muscle function. Symptoms of electrolyte imbalance include muscle cramps, weakness, dizziness, and irregular heartbeat. To prevent this, it's important to replenish electrolytes by drinking fluids with added electrolytes, such as sports drinks or oral rehydration solutions. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can also help restore lost electrolytes. Monitoring for symptoms and adjusting your intake of fluids and electrolytes can help manage any imbalances. If you experience severe symptoms, consult a healthcare professional for appropriate treatment. Number 4. Hydration needs. When taking castor oil, maintaining hydration is crucial due to its potent laxative effect. Increased bowel movements can lead to significant fluid loss, raising the risk of dehydration. Symptoms of dehydration include dry mouth, dizziness, and dark urine. To counteract this, it's essential to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Water is the best choice, but oral rehydration solutions or electrolyte-rich beverages can also help replenish lost electrolytes. Monitoring your fluid intake and ensuring you stay well hydrated before and after taking castor oil can mitigate dehydration risks. If you experience signs of dehydration or are concerned about your fluid balance, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Number 3. Digestive discomfort. Taking castor oil can lead to digestive discomfort, including cramping, bloating, and nausea. The stimulant effect on the intestines may cause abdominal cramps as the digestive muscles contract more vigorously to move waste. This increased activity can also result in bloating as gas and fluids build up in the digestive tract. Nausea is a common response due to the intense stimulation and rapid digestion. These symptoms can be more pronounced if castor oil is taken on an empty stomach. The discomfort usually subsides once the body adjusts to the oil's effects and the bowel movements occur. If symptoms persist or are severe, it's advisable to seek medical advice. Taking castor oil in moderation and being aware of its potential impact can help manage these digestive issues. Number 2. Increased bowel movements. When you take castor oil, it leads to increased bowel movements due to its strong laxative effect. The oil stimulates the intestines, speeding up the process of digestion and waste elimination. This often results in more frequent trips to the bathroom as the body expels stool more rapidly. The urge to move your bowels can become urgent and sometimes uncontrollable, which might disrupt daily activities. The increase in bowel movements usually begins within a few hours of ingestion. It's crucial to be prepared for this effect and to plan accordingly. While this can effectively relieve constipation, it also increases the risk of dehydration and potential electrolyte imbalances. Monitor your body's responses and stay hydrated to manage these side effects effectively. Number 1. Laxative effect. Castor oil has a pronounced laxative effect primarily due to its active compound, ricinoleic acid. When ingested, castor oil stimulates the small intestine, increasing peristalsis, which is the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. This stimulation promotes a quicker transit time for stool, leading to more frequent and urgent bowel movements. The effect typically begins within a few hours of consumption. As a result, castor oil is commonly used to relieve constipation. However, its potency means it can also cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as cramping or diarrhea. It's important to use castor oil in moderation to avoid excessive dehydration or imbalanced electrolytes. Always follow dosage guidelines and consult a healthcare provider if needed. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.